Welcome to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your iMac to install SSD. So after this, you will see this screen. So first of all, you have to reset NVRAM. So for this purpose, you have to hold these combination of keys. After this, you have to enter internet recovery mode. So when you try this combination, you will see the screen like this. Now you have to connect Wi-Fi. Now you have to wait for a few seconds to start internet recovery on your iMac. After this, you will see a screen like this. So select your language and click here. Now you have to format your SSD. So first of all, let me enable this to show all devices. So tap on view and click on show all devices. So now you will see your SSD name. Simply click on its name and then you have to format your SSD in macOS Extended. After this, you have to re-erase your SSD. So simply follow this video, and after this you have to make any partitions if you want. So as you can see, I have erased SSD. Now you can create partition if you want. So let me create partition for this SSD. You can rename this partition. So let me name it as data. Now you have to rename your main system partition. So let me rename it as OS. Now you have to click on reinstall macOS, and after this you have to click on continue. For this you have to connect Wi-Fi. So let me connect Wi-Fi to this iMac. After this, simply tap on continue, and after a few seconds you will see terms and conditions like this. As you can see in this video, simply tap on agree, and after this select your disk to install macOS. Now you have to wait for this to download macOS and install on your new SSD. After this, you will see a screen like this, and now you have to wait for a few minutes to complete this installation process. So let me fast forward this video to save your time. Now you can see installation completed. Now you have to set up your Mac. So simply select your country, and after this you have to select your keyboard type. So now you have to connect your Wi-Fi. So in the screen you can sign in with your Apple ID or you can skip it. So let me skip this, and after this you have to accept these terms and conditions of macOS. Now you can create a computer account. So simply enter full name and then account name and a password for your iMac. So now you can see macOS installed on SSD drive. So this is how you can upgrade your iMac with SSD and reinstall macOS. Hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more helpful content, and thanks for watching.